agaseka. So she started ogaseka buno muntu turabaina. The first question amboleti, kwani uranyora rende yani omwanji wa you being that serious uranyora rende nare gogotema you sing. So this thing ekaron kolgere in the connection yebicha yakwa in the bedroom. Initially she had called me so na rero naende uchire bwakire bicha secretly in my bedroom naende ga ekara na motebiringa na monyore na very sure iresi na ndo address that way. What is this? Keke entertain this lady. Kamotebi, whichever way, whether no mwanji, whether not, kindly ntebing a yore, onge see me you. She told me, I'm in a meeting. Yongo so a meeting, ake, ngo kore meeting yeyo, ninkore teresimi. Nkumuvuri rende wono.
Na admitted na wate
Buanchire.
Okay.
Eke ranja, naliaru roja ka gwe tantani ngamara ali kulgere chificha ade ma yesimi. Then a question comes, ngaki kuare who access this phone because it is locked.
Yes.
Yeah, because it's miaonye na enyori kere locked. No nyene bichandinge akere ngakinda ye access because you're locked. Tinkonyara. Timobole tibo. Why did you trespass ka wacha mwanaza visitor? Na ali kuira Kindu Bay. Why did you trespass to go into my bedroom? Which kubukulie simi taringe ya orende maybe one kware kwa admire. Nga my brother mheshimiwa na bwati simi ngabune yo ngabo this has been my dream phone. Bono rende kerere my dream phone nga naende na matebeti yango ribune sijui ni mbwate boyfriend na sijui pia nilimwambia my dream phone. Bono gona yenyora I wanted to kateba binte bingo adapt.
Ese metoko ni cheserenga.
This is a Samsung S24.
Yes.
Worth 250,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nacho kwa ya.
Ya yatayere titukeli. Na wanyene sabari nale kuchikindu bina bonatika nkomuligi bono manually.
Yes.
Nacha komuligi manually because igaika ondoji ontebi nkokurale meeting yantebi nanyora tariko ngakira simi back na ande kana kumwakira tariko buguri. So nacha komuligi na itete joint isato in Kisii Town otema kokesi renda aseme kutana gokoru usini nyoro kanyora tayo kojuwake sababu this is a wastage of time tingoligi muntu manually tikanti kenkakanya the following day on that yet I engaged her kumbulia simi. This conversation is flowing. I have the messages. I shared the evidences to the police. I shared to the footage. But bari kubuli footage ase nini asamangana online nga why inkiata iko share footage to us torore. The procedure of a case kere police, if I may guide them. Again to ekuru footage. Ekero ya tokire ya ego chwak tintendera buna obo shahidi.
Yes.
Footage yeli ga kogenda yakorerwa gento ekuru scrutiny. Ya chunguzwa ya pelelezwa bana korwa baya kora approval from the DCI. Kerba ya kora approval bago koyerus from your hand banye beka sakorwa a flash. Even them they are not allowed koyebeka sejisimi chabo. They are only allowed koyebogoria se a flash of issue flash yabo. Flash disk. So kraba bekra se flash disk. The investigative officer omobisori ko investigate this issue. Igago demand from you delete that footage from your hand. Once you delete this footage from your hand, nebanga igo kwaye bwate kwaye save assessment yao. You won't be allowed because it nerego tumeka associated. You will not be allowed ko publish it anywhere or to share it anywhere. By the end of the day, if you do so, it is called ogo interview. So there is no way Riziki da share the footage already jacheta samaboko ye sheria. Now this case
wacha kwa the police because wangira kwa semi
bono tindaika na temire ko kole ndo ko diplomacy.
Yes,
we are Christians. Ekara mangana buna ya beira oyo no muntu ntakagire tenga na beiga.
Yes.
The first person involved no monto na manyete kurwa sa o monto na manyete turuhim na motebeti ngenya rokeye ya chabone kangibere simi ekarangibera kurwabwo na chitagancha ngana irete simi ekarancha irete simi obero go okona kugamba okombori go yo nanjite kamotebi yes nanjite conversation kuna gutwara tule engagement diplomacy na twali kuna kugamba ante that is wrong so agakira that way so namo engage further unako mukwanira the conversations are there message inko engage both chia normal na WhatsApp both calls chia WhatsApp na both calls chia kawaida all along igawancha nganko ngari simi lakini bono muchanda te kongere simi ngagari busy gagontebinga I will return it to you anytime ogendera this way that the following day 30th rigaeta 31st she told me na yaya my brother nantuma ichigotenera mangana ye project yobugachi ogendera teboye ubwagachi oboiga ekeranga mtenene chifundi bono nganye ngokora by 5 in the evening. That was on that first Friday. Ekerona akolire bono this is the day to alekole to rest that friend Efani Elia na stu achitiri ogontebinga bono ngokora igentongo kora igo ngokora Teresimeyu to town chinsante beti 11 marogo basa 11 saa 11 chigaika because I kept time ngoaka tabuli simi ngoaka tabuli tinko mo text later on gocha kumwakere yo mweli agacha kubwata bono agantebinga tinko nyara gocha chifundi chie chia my brother go chie chia mbwata so I can't make to come because chibese chia mbrango ngoaka na babundi aba so I can't make it to town bono ngaka ni ngeli busita ngaka ne chifundi chimanye gocha then a question comes ubwaga chubutari bwao this is not your project any project yo mwana mino no mwana mino na abwate njira go dina babundi ba yora long
yes
why can't you hand over babundi to your brother gekora ikwale ngentenenera ekero kwa bando irova ayo proceed to town to your business o chocolate ongesimi little did I know is maybe esimieli aragairete chibese chiaro gonsaba 6000 it was another strategy maybe korengana nenchire bintu bya chiete it was another strategy yokoroking riziki has been sending me money on has been made transactions
yes.
to my phone I thank God I never made any transaction I never sent any money to her ekora gona agite masuali nkaranga yaya simurudi ajire and chibese chinganje ko kubadaye nesimi how is true is that
yes
kama later I want to akoro ikitaoni ongisimi and kinding alero the conversations are there I think some of you mwa go through those conversations mwaligereri so nkomotebia tema ga kyo yengerero she never responded akagenda mute finally akagenda off that was on that 1st December first nambo kereke mambi namu engage she never responded ocha correspond saa 5 kontebingo mheshimiwa uyu akoroka brother yae ngagangira atoira NDS first nini celebration Kisumu bono tugokora ningiche then a question bono kwevoringa ki igorenda are you willing to give this phone to me because all along no kona goeta town ya naonde busonga I'm even willing come voringa tell where you are I'll just pick it no ntebi gore say no nebanya mira I'll just come to pick it from wherever no are go ntebinga nju Kisumu na bona are kwenda Kisumu erante where she is I just pick it so nkamubori why you complicating a small issue koben konguga because ngakyo weta kisi town kwagenda to Kisumu bono wantebi nkuganya anyway na kuganya nkamuganya antebeti ko barera ni 6 in the evening timorochi simingwaka siminjirigoswa later on akandikira nga tutatoka saa 6 usiku saa 6 yengaranga this is a strategy you go frustrate them more so that yako nalisho atingo munganya town mpaka saa 6 lakini nkamotebia I'll wait for you yeah I was so determined dekara moko this conversation chirali I was so determined I told her yes I'll wait for you nkamuganya sana mpaka saa 7 ya butuko in one of the places chiabosongo kakanya akukuja karongwa kesimi in this case nambe divertry user busy na proceed ngaba disappointed nkagenda to my place second kwaruwe tebogere wocha correspond go since 8 ngaina ruwe tororo lakini bono gonde meeting with my baby daddy all these I'm saying they are there I give them as evidences mbirali igombwete meeting na iso mwana one na abantu basobo na nje n'abantu batseitu como that is good in town or no not in town como voli aralia it's out of town but within Kisii. Kakire toko ntebi napongo changu yisimi. Napongo tumano eno muntu. Yeah, you frustrated me enough. Tell me where you are. Tayari nilitoa that message. Akantebi wacha nikimaliza itakutafuta. So she kept on playing with my patience. Akatema that way ilituketa mbili likaera. So the guys we were with bakantebi, this lady we feel she's not a straight person. Yeah. She's not going to hand over that phone to you any soon. Yeah. And we have tried to do our uchunguzi kidogo. The lady might not be that straight. Kumuborenda abantu bali kanisa ngakibadali kwa straight. No, she's na inchirene ngafiribo. So that evening nimori kerete ngamotebe, now you behave like a scammer. Because garwe tororo agantebinga na rure meeting igaiga nganya kerango chakoba ebo gukora trisimi ninkoretera. Tichete go kumoyo on the following day, 3rd of January. Nkamuengage na end 3rd, it was on a Friday. Iga no kuna komoebereria marietonse na areko yego na bona areko muruka. Komoebereria. Akibaba. Kwa kwanjani.